Hi everyone, welcome back with the fourth puzzle in this additional way, in this additional of today's newspaper on a Thursday, August the 20th, 2020, yes. The fourth puzzle is a binary puzzle. And this puzzle will be number 1, 3, 7, 8. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means 8 by 8. A binary puzzle. That means we have 4 ones in a row and 4 O's in a row or in a column. So let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. And then double 1, here an O, there an O. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. We have 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Then, let me see. 3 O's. That means if I place the 4th O here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed. So no 3, there cannot be more than 2 of a digit in a row. So this cannot be an O. This should be an 1. If I place the 4th O here, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. And then 3 O's in this column. If I place the 4th O here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed. So this cannot be an O. This should be an 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Then 1, 2, 3. 3 O's. 3 O's. 3 ones. If I place the 4th one here, then we have 4 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. If I place the 4th one here, then we still have 3 O's in a row. Not allowed. One of the rules. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O, here and 1. There 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then let me see. 3. I think I need to compare some boxes, because this one I cannot continue. No, let me compare. Oh, right. But I have not much columns. Only 1 column. It should be, yes. This one and that one. Let me compare. 1 1 0 0 empty box. 1 1 empty box. 0 0 1 1 0 0. So I need to switch these two numbers, 0 and a 1. We have a 0 here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an 0. Between two O's comes a 1. Between two 1s comes an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between two 1s comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 4 O's in this column, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s in this row, so the rest are O's. 4 O's in this column, so the rest are 1s. And now I need to compare. Oh no, between two O's comes a 1. Now I have 4 1s in this row, so the rest are O's. We have 4 O's in this column, so the rest are 1s. We have here 4 1s in the last row, so the rest are O's. I need to compare with these two rows or these two columns. Let me see. It's not this column. 01, we have a 01. No, 01, no. So I need to compare with the rows. Double 1 here. Oh, yes. The second row and the 6th row. Empty box. 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. So I need to switch these two numbers. We have an O here, so this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. 1 2 3 4 4 O, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 7 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. A lot of thinking. You need to use the rules. Anyway, if you like this Sudoku, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku. This will be a tectonic one, aka Suguru in Japanese. So I will see you soon. Bye bye for now.